Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video you will find out how to compress videos for TikTok/Reels with free tools. If you're looking to compress the size of TikTok or Instagram Reels or any video but doesn't want to pay for it, then here's how you do it for free. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any uploads, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for your free Convert. You can other softwares that are much more famous like InVideo or Veed.io, but they are all paid softwares. Are a while a free trial. Free Convert is what you can use for completely free. You'll be directed to the main website where you can add in your videos that you want to compress. For that, all you need to do is copy the link of the reel and download it in your PC or mobile. You can choose any of these sites to do so without any watermark. Just add in the link and click on the download button. Once downloaded, go back to Free Convert and upload your reel there. You can choose output type like MP4 or any other you want. Click on settings to tweak in any changes, which is not compulsory. You can add multiple files at once, so go ahead if you want to save time and click on Compress Now. As you can see, it has started uploading, and in a few moments it will give you the compressed version of the reel that you can download and use anywhere you want. You can use this method on your mobile too, so go ahead if you want to do it and make it easier and convenient. That is how you can compress videos for TikTok/Reels with free tools on desktop or mobile. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more like quick and easy tutorials like these.